G'day tradies, I'm Marcus Hucker and this is Matty Page, and this is a What Tradies Want Tradie Tough Test. Today we've got the WALT XR Brushless multi-tool that we're going to put through its paces. It's got some fantastic features. We actually previewed this product in our April issue 2014. Today we're going to do some testing on it. Matty, what are some of the features?
Mate, one of the best things I've seen on this is the double throw paddle. You can either side, it's got the quick release chuck, which you can quickly and easily add or adjust your pieces. The brushless motor definitely is 100%, lots of power there. The ergonomics of the handle, fantastic. Great LED torch at the end.
Yeah, it looks good. All right, well let's get out there and give it a thrashing.
Okay, first test, we're just going to cut through some different woods. Next we're going to change the blade and cut through some timber with some nails. Right, next test we're going to do some sanding and we're going to check out the vacuum attachment. Going to test out my stonemasonry skills on a bit of rock we found outside.
So Matty, what do you think about the WALT XR lithium-ion brushless multi-tool?
Mate, I loved the feel of it. It felt really good in your hand. The power was like using a Cordless 240 version. That paddle switch is amazing. You can switch it from any angle you want. The quick release is really quick and efficient, changing angles, changing accessories.
So DeWalt, you get the Tradie Tough Test stamp of approval. I'm Marcus Hucker, this is Matty Page, thanks for joining us.